Hi, welcome to Lederhosen Salesforce, another edition on just cloud topics. This is Tableau versus Lightning Dashboards and Analytics Cloud. Tableau is a fantastic tool. Salesforce just bought them for $15 billion, and you ask why. Here's why. Here's the difference. One is filter location, one is data link. On filter location, in Tableau, everything's on the dashboards itself. So in a meeting at C-level, if you have good Tableau people, they'll just put all the widgets on the dashboard. So you can filter and ask questions on the fly without administrators. Big advantage. Really dynamically move data, move things, right? The filters are on the dashboard. Versus in Salesforce, the filters are underneath. And it's filtered by role, by whatever, right? So then you have a limited view by your role, by your dynamics, by your permissions, by whatever. This still applies here, but where's the default? The default in Tableau is on the dashboard. The default in Salesforce with filters is underneath in the org, right? And then with Analytics Cloud, what's that difference between Tableau and Analytics Cloud? Analytics Cloud isn't Tableau. Analytics Cloud is really you should call it monitoring cloud that overlays Salesforce and gets codey fast. Like when I've worked with it, I have to write an Apex class, an Apex trigger. You have to make sure you have code coverage before you deploy into Lightning, into production right? And then where does it report? Could it report onto a Lightning dashboard, or it could report onto some sort of alerts, like over 10,000 emails got exported, or Marketing Cloud link is delayed, right? The other difference between Tableau is where is the data linking. In Tableau, there's no filter. It's a direct filter, right? It's not through an API, through permissions, right? It's direct. So you can link Tableau into a ROC, into AS400, into Oracle, into Salesforce, into an Excel spreadsheet, into a custom database called Lederhosen. And then it renders through. One of the weaknesses is if you have too many links initially and one is deleted or 5 are deleted, sometimes Tableau hiccups. And that's what I've known, right? Versus in Salesforce, where's the data? The data is indirect, right? Because it's from everywhere else. It's on-prem, off-prem, through Boomi, Workato, everything else. It's less pure. Then it goes into the Salesforce org that's overlaid with Analytics Cloud through filters, renders to the Lightning Dashboard. At the end, I'll have a link to my Lightning Dashboards tour and also to Tableau underneath. You can get a free Tableau instance to test. And yeah, those are the big differences. It's less pure. So now Salesforce has two links together at the C level. They can even de-link some of it, or you just link the Tableau in, and then you could compare it to the Lightning Dashboard. Crazy implications to make Salesforce even more of a fantastic tool that it is. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. And somebody tell me what the rank of this hat is that I bought at a garage sale in San Francisco. Something Russian, something Navy. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Lederhosen Jürgen, Salesforce out. And please subscribe.